girl. Good job. Got a nice slow jog. I'm sure you could go faster. But this feels just right.